दिल्ली के आरकेपुरम सेक्टर 3 में एक शख्स ने अपनी बहन की हत्या कर दी। आरोप है कि महेंद्र नाम के ये युवक ने जायदाद के लिए अपनी बहन ज्योति का कत्ल किया।
बड़ी खबर आ रही है, जयपुर शहर में रिश्तों की हत्या की गई। बड़े भाई ने छोटे भाई को मौत के घाट उतार दिया।
These fights have few things in common. First, they're about money. Second, they destroyed relationships. And lastly, they could have been avoided by making simply a will. But surprisingly, Indians don't make wills because we have so many misconceptions about it. So in this video, let's expose the 5 myths that are stopping Indians from making a will and avoid this unnecessary kalesh. Today, I'm going to be busting some commonly held misconceptions regarding will making. Firstly, many people feel making a will involves a complex legal process, but in reality, it is as easy as writing a job resume. In fact, for writing a will, you don't need the lawyers, the court visits, or even stamp paper. You can write it on a plain paper and it will still be valid legally. What's important is that the will is signed by the person who is making it and witnessed by 2 people who are beneficiaries of that will. Also, these witnesses have to sign this will to make sure that it's written without any pressure or threat. Now, if you've understood this, congrats. We've destroyed the first myth together. The second myth is that the will is only for old people. Someone must have told you at some point of time कि हर चीज का एक सही टाइम होता है. But thinking that a will is only for the elderly is like assuming that health insurance is for the sick people. Point in being that it just doesn't matter what your age is. If you have assets, you can write a will. Because if you don't, court and the lawyers decide in your absence कि आपकी property का क्या करना है. And that's where family members become Jani Dushman. So age is just a number. Holds true for writing a will as well. And with this, we come to the next myth, which is will once made cannot be changed. People often worry, what if after writing their will, their family stops taking care of them or doesn't treat them well? या फिर घर से निकाल दिया तो? Because घर तो आपने उनके नाम कर दिया है. Here, you have to understand 2 things. Very clearly, nothing will stop you from changing your will. You can change it whenever you want, however you want, and as many times as you want. Secondly, a will comes into effect only after a person passes away. Unless planned otherwise, of course. Which means even after someone has written a will, they continue to be the owner of their assets. And if people turn their back on you, well, you too can become the chameleon and show them who's the boss. So, if you're on the same page, it's time for us to move on to the next myth. When people think of assets, they think of the most obvious things. Bangla, Gadi, Paisa. But will is much more than these and must also include things that are not always visible. Like mutual funds, stocks, investments, fixed deposits, any trademark, copyright, etc. So not including these in the will is a guaranteed sure shot to keep the family fighting endlessly, which won't really let a person actually rest in peace. Well, puns intended. And this brings us to the last myth, which is will automatically comes into effect. Now, just like an umpire is required in a cricket match to make everyone follow the rules, similarly for turning a will into reality, we need a person who can make sure that the words written in the will are actually followed. And in legal language, we call such people the executor, whose main responsibility is ensuring that the assets are given and distributed to the beneficiaries and that all the debts and the taxes related to the will maker are paid off. Now, you better choose an unbiased person for this role, else all the efforts of saving the family will all go in vain. I hope knowing all these things may have helped to understand and appreciate the power of the will. And if you have any questions for us, do let us know in the comments below and share this video with someone who may need it.